So this is my project, the dual white LED stroboscope. This is a very simple project. It didn't require much time. I finished it in exactly one class period. So as you can see, I started off with the resistors, but unfortunately, one of them was not soldered in correctly. It looks very messy, and that's the result of me not taking my time. So at this point, I was already done with most of the soldering. All that was left was the capacitors and the actual switch/knob that sets the flash speed. At this point, I was about 99% done, basically finished. All I had to do was screw in the battery to the board itself. So this is the final shot of the back of the board after all the soldering was completed. I had some problems with bridging, but I corrected them before I took the shot. Yo, this was definitely way too extra.